All right, morning time. It's the 18th of October, and we're still in Freeport, but we're about to leave here pretty soon, heading to San Antonio, where we have a hotel to check in, our last hotel of the trip, actually. Well, we think it will be. We'll see what happens, but yeah, we're gonna check in there for 2 days, scope out the city and all that stuff. Problem is, check-in isn't until like 3 o'clock, and it's only like a 3.5 hour drive from here. So we're really gonna take our time, probably find some things to do, hopefully find some things to see along the way. So we didn't do much of that yesterday. We had just a long drive yesterday, so we really didn't stop anywhere fun. It was just to stop and get gas or food or to pee or whatever, right? So, but yeah, today should be a good day. Inga's got coffee going over there already, so got to watch the sunrise out there from the inside of the truck earlier. Thanks, babe. Got my coffee here. She put too much ice in the coffee, so now it's gonna be cold, but that's okay. I like to chug mine anyway. Our neighbor with the tent did stay down there tonight, so we weren't here at the beach alone, technically. Looks like some folks came here to do some fishing or something this morning before sunset. Maybe that's like the best time to do it, I'm not sure.
It's just air.
Yeah, I didn't see anything for that. We're at Buc-ee's. We're leaving Buc-ee's. This was a bigger Buc-ee's. I don't actually know where we are. I forget the name of the town. We're still about an hour out of San Antonio, heading west. But yeah, we can't find the window scrubbers and squeegee things at Buc-ee's. It's the second Buc-ee's that we've ran into this. Such a big, huge store that, I mean, they sell barbecues in there, for goodness sake. They sell everything you can ever think of. But they, for some reason, don't have the things to scrub the windshield, and I really need it because the GoPro's struggling to cut through the dirty windshield at the moment. This window's pretty dirty too, so I'm not really getting a lot of footage through it either. We'll find one eventually. Made it to Earth Burger here. I got kale salad with some sunflower seeds, fries, and then I got the original Earth Burger. She got the spicy chicken with some fries as well. Digging in. All right, at Earth Burger here. The fries are really good. Kale salad is really good. Inga really like her spicy chicken. I haven't actually tried the original Earth Burger yet. Let me grab it. You can see it. Take a bite. That's really good. And the sides are all really cheap. The entrees are pretty cheap overall. It's a great place. Decent location. There's not too much for parking out front, but there's enough. So.
Okay, do we want Alamo Heights that we drove through?
To look at for rent or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, why not? See what
Here's one on St. Mary's. That's not fun.
Let's check out the hotel room. It's pretty big. I mean, this is just the walkway, the entrance in. It comes with this fan. We don't need it because it has air conditioning. Big closet area. Mirror here. Inga's in the bathroom getting ready. We're gonna go walk around downtown San Antonio. We do have the jet tub, which is awesome. Sink's pretty nice. And then got the big bed. It's a decent TV. I mean, we've had much worse TVs than that. A little fridge, dresser, desk over there. It's kind of a mess right now because, well, we got here last night and just kind of unpacked, ate, and then went to bed. But we're gonna go explore the city. Right outside here is San Antonio, and the Riverwalk is just 4 minutes away. Here at Revolution Coffee and Juice, got ourselves some tacos for breakfast here and juice to share, or kind of like a smoothie thing. How's the taco?
It's good. It's not as spicy as it smells.
Not spicy? It's got all kinds of good stuff in there though. They have several options that are totally plant-based here, and when I say several, I mean like most of their menu. So, although it's not 100% plant-based here, it's very close. It's getting there. Inga's enjoying her moringa smoothie, because we all need moringa in our life. Right, babe? Some pigeons here on the Riverwalk.
He's trying to run faster than me.
Welcome to San Antonio. Alright, so we're on Dolorosa Street here, which is where people hang all their locks, love locks, as Inga was explaining to me. It sounds pretty interesting. We're gonna go up there later, because we don't have a lock on us right now, but right now we're going in here. Can, if we can find one. Now is this, are we going up here?
Yeah.
Alright, we made it to the bridge here. Get my finger out of the way of the camera.
And they put some fancy locks on them.
Just locks.
You can buy heart locks.
Both sides of the bridge are lined. Pretty cool. Alright, made it to the Alamo here. As you can see, looks like we're going inside. We were thinking we were gonna have to wait until 9:40, but turns out otherwise. Here we go. Alright, so we're inside like the outside garden part of the Alamo here. When you're in the building itself, it's sacred, so you're not allowed to have your camera out. You can't do video, you can't really do anything like that, and we totally respect that. Out here though, it's nice and wide open. We're just walking around. There's a few people, but quite beautiful here. Buildings are really, really old, and I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff inside it. It tells you all the different countries who actually helped fight in the Alamo. Like, I didn't even realize that Ireland or Scotland even played a part in that. Apparently I should brush up on my history. Guess we'll do that if we end up moving here, right? But it's free to get in. Doesn't cost anything. At first it looked like there was a wait, like a 40-minute wait, but we got right in, so that was all right. And there's audio tours that you can do as well while you're walking around. A lot of people have these little, it looks like a cell phone, but there's an audio tour. We didn't really want to do that, but it was over there. Beautiful, beautiful place. So there's birds flying around, fish swimming around. It's awesome. There's a lot of noise. There's like construction going on. They're putting in like a couple new buildings or something here in the Alamo, so there's a lot of noise. Probably gonna have to end up dubbing over a lot of the footage, but that's okay. Alright, so we're gonna go back into here, see what else we can find, but I think we've mostly covered the area here. It's a pretty big area. There are certain spots that you can get into with the audio tour that you can't if you don't have it. Oh, what did the audio tour cost? Like $8 or something like that. It wasn't too terrible, so it might be worth it. Kind of this courtyard area here, still outside the Alamo, but they have all the different statues of all the different heroes, like, you know, Davy Crockett, Travis, all those guys. It's this really old well here.
Nope.
There's no water. People throw money and notes, probably prayers, things like that in there. So, pretty interesting. We're actually heading out of the Alamo now. We've checked it out. We're gonna go find a little place to maybe get a coffee or a snack or something like that. Got this big sculpture here outside of the Alamo. All the guys on there. Bowie. Travis. Crockett. And see, they have the streets blocked off, so you can actually just walk around this whole kind of area outside the Alamo. So that's nice. There's no actual car traffic coming through here, just over there. Alright, we've strolled on down to the Riverwalk now. We're in front of the Hard Rock Cafe here on the San Antonio Riverwalk. We're kind of right in the middle. We haven't gone one direction or the other yet. We just got down here. So we're going to go explore around and see what we can find. But it's nice and shady. It's a nice escape from the heat. And there's even some shopping centers that are kind of supposedly like underground or whatever. We're going to check those out in a bit. But we're going to do some walking for now. Travis building. We're in the House of Horrors. Ripley's Believe It or Not. Quite at decision 2021 yet of where we're going to live, but San Antonio is quickly inching closer into the top 3. So I just wanted to come out here and let the American people know what we're doing. Questions? These are the ashes of the heroes. You got Bowie, Crockett, and Travis. See that again here. Bowie, Crockett, Travis. These are their remains right here. Crazy. But it is just a church. They want masks, to be honest. So I've got to put the camera down and put my mask. outside the courthouse here. It's a really cool looking courthouse. I gotta give them credit there. Got a nice fountain here in front of the courthouse. Alright, we found all these statues here. These are the founders. That's what it says. Alright, course one is the broccoli mac and cheese. Or I think we call it mac and queso here. Really good though. Zoom in. Lots of broccoli in there. Okay, so here we go. I got the Good Karma Bowl as suggested by our waiter here, and she got the empanadas. We're still working on our mac and broccoli and queso.